the Ministry of Health has also embarked on linking 98 hospitals to KNH on a shared platform for laboratory information management system and picture archiving and communication system parks for laboratory and radiology, respectively, to take advantage of the available expertise in Kenyatta National Hospital. I wish to encourage Kenyatta National Hospital to adopt innovative service delivery mechanisms so as to enhance its levels of efficiency and effectiveness in service delivery. I spent a good amount of time yesterday with the chairman and the CEO, and we went through what this may look like in the future, and I'm happy to note that we are aligned as a ministry and a hospital in terms of being innovative so as to stretch the investments that are being made in this hospital. On my part, and that of my ministry, I will remain committed to give direction and to equally hold you accountable for delivering to Kenyans what you have committed in the strategic plan. But like a caring mother, I'll be there to guide as I may be required, together with my team.